How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado. So to get access to our map sensor, we're going to have to remove this engine cover. To do so, just lift up on the front of this and pull your engine cover straight out. And our map sensor is located right here. First thing we'll do is lift this tab up and remove the connector. And now on top of the sensor itself, there's this little lock that holds it in place. If you just get your flathead screwdriver underneath right here, you can pop this up. And we'll do the same to the other side. And that's what the clip looks like. Now we just need to remove the sensor from where it goes into the intake manifold. Take your flathead and slowly work it up. And now we'll take our new sensor and stick it back in the hole, making sure that the connector part is facing toward the back of the engine. And just push it down into place. Take your lock and lock that back in. And now we can plug our connector back in. And now we can grab our engine cover. Start by sliding the back into place. And then once it's down, you can just push this in place. And you can see it's locked in. And that finishes up this job on how to replace your map sensor. If this video helped you out in any way, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have plenty more videos on these Sierras, as well as many other vehicles.